In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to Pakistan. So to do this, just go and open up the Revolut app and then click on Payments in the bottom. From here in the top right, click on Plus, and here select Send International. Now for the destination, just click on the search bar at the top and type in Pakistan, and then go and select it. Then once you've done that, just enter how much you would like to transfer, and then you can select the transfer method. After doing that, click on Continue, and then right here you will need to enter the account details of the person you are sending to. So first choose if it's an individual or a business that you want to send money to, and then just enter their IBAN, BIC or SWIFT, first and middle names, last name and email if you selected that you want to deposit into their bank account. After doing all of that, click on Add Recipient in the bottom, and then you should get to an overview of all the details. From there, just make sure it's all correct, and if it is, go and confirm it, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Pakistan. So now you know how to send money from Revolut to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.